We have so much to celebrate today. Today is International Women's Day. Today is my 49th anniversary. And today is an International Women's Day. Starts the show. Celebrated in 1911. Yes, we've come a long way since then, but we've still a long way to go. Women have paved the way in sciences, arts, politics, and every field imaginable, breaking barriers and reshaping our world. Empowerment starts with us, in how we support each other and one another, in the stories we tell and the futures we imagine. It's in the mentorship we provide to the next generation, ensuring every girl knows that she holds her potential to achieve the extraordinary. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And this morning, or today, in any part of the world, I have something really beautiful that I received in the mail. And I am super, super excited about it. I can't wait to open this, so I want to get right to it. I have something that I got from Singapore, and you are going to be in awe. Oh, wow. Oh, and how beautiful is this, that this is wrapped in. Look at that. And that says, friends make us laugh harder and smile more. Can you see that? Friends make us laugh harder and smile more. And there is nothing truer than that. That is 100% correct. And it says it here, always. And then it says splendid. And can anybody guess who this is from? This paper is beautiful. I'm going to be very careful when I open this. I'm going to be very... I don't know, anybody guessing? Is anybody guessing out there who this is from? Oh, and this paper is beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna push this up through here. Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh. Are you ready? Are you ready for that? Wow! Do you know who that is? This is Yen. Yen draws. Look at this. I am in awe. Look. I have a paper. I have a drawing. Look at this. The year of the dragon. Yen, you are so talented. Your talent is amazing. Look at this. Close. bring this in so close. I want you to see this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at those eyes. Can you see that? This is pure talent. This is amazing. Now, Yen, I can't thank you enough. But that's not all we're going to do on this video. We're going to take this out and we're going to get this framed. So, hold on to your seats, everyone. We're going to go out and we're going to frame this. Yen, wait till you see this framed. Actually, come along. Let's go together. Okay, I'm outside of Hobby Lobby and I'm getting ready to go in. And we're going to frame Yen drawers. Beautiful picture today. Drawing. So this is what greets you when you walk into Hobby Lobby. And there's a little Yoda, Baby Yoda. Okay, and I know the art department is way in the back. And here's some St. Patrick's Day, and there's some Easter. Let's go. Cute little Easter bunnies. Oh, and who doesn't love Pez? How cute. And this is for my traveling tramps, Route 66, Dave and Kathy. And that looks like a place that they visited. Wow. That is really an awesome piece. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to stop this here. So I had to cut out where he was speaking because Hobby Lobby has music playing in the background. So I was not able to use most of what he was saying. And I put on captions, so that did help me a lot. Closed captions, and that's the writing that you see on the bottom of the screen. So these are just the 11 by 14 frames that they have in stock. Of course, you can have it custom made, and there are so many choices to have a custom-made frame. But in all honesty, you don't need to have a custom-made frame. They have many choices, and if you don't find something today, come back next week and there's more frames there. So if you're not in a hurry, you can get a great frame at a wonderful price and have it done professionally. Another thought that did come to my mind was, if you did have a frame at home and you just wanted to buy a mat, you can go in, purchase the mat, and you can have them put the mat and then the dust cover and the wire, and you can just pay for that. So that would probably cost you about $13, depending on the size of the mat. So, I mean, there's lots of options to get very reasonable prices. And I really do have to apologize for the lousy video recording that I did here. I'm not used to videoing outside of my home, and I should have really videoed in landscape. I really did a terrible job, and I apologize for that. But I do hope that you get something out of this video. So I was having a hard time deciding between the gold or the darker, which I think looks richer. But I'm going to run back and look at the frames one more time. But these are all the mats that you can choose from. There's so many mats. And some go to white and some go to black. So, what was the cost of my frame today? So the frame that I decided to choose, that I finally chose, was the gold frame. That frame was $27.99. The mat was $10. And that was a custom cut mat. He cut that mat just for me. The dust cover and the hanger was $3. No, that's not what it cost me. Because the frame is always 50% off in Hobby Lobby. So, my final cost, $26.99. Can you go wrong?
Foam board.
Acid-free, yeah.
And this is acid-free mats. Because if you don't get acid-free stuff, then your art will start to yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Take me out to California.
This is also acid-free tape.
Acid-free.
Let's position the artwork. You want to make like a little book cover.
So when you turn it over, beautiful.
That's good.
And there's little weights on top there.
So again, you see an acid-free tape, no more than 1/4 inch underneath the artwork. This is called a T-hinge. Because we're making like the letter T.
Uh-huh.
1/4 inch. And then letter T.
The happy faces and a sign upon a hill.
And this is just some double-sided adhesive just to hold everything in place.
And all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out
Beautiful.
to California,
All right.
where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be
Look how beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Now we're just going to finish it off.
Down.
And then we're going to put a dust cover on here. It's a double-sided adhesive again.
Take me out. Take me out.
Now the dust cover.
And even this paper is acid-free.
Take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever.
Keep the dust out of your art.
Yes.
I'll be waiting for that day to come and take me home from California.
It's all about the tools. And the knowledge. And the knowledge. It's not just the tools. And the knowledge. Yeah. That's for sure. Beautiful.
Just removing excess adhesive. That's an easy way to do it.
And the tips along the way.
And tips along the way. Now we just put a wire and hanger. There's some wall protectors so you don't scratch up the walls.
I think she will. My daughter is a dragon, so that's why when I saw this, I said, I have to get that for her. Before this video comes to an end, I would like to thank Yen for this beautiful dragon. And she does share this dragon year with my daughter, and that's why she drew this. And I'm so happy that she was willing to share this dragon with me. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I will put a link to her channel right above. So please look for that. For any of your portrait needs, this morphed into a wedding. And this is my 49th anniversary. If you recognize the priest in the background, he was in The Godfather. Yeah, he was baptizing a baby, I think, when they were shooting somebody up. Sounds crazy, huh? But it's true. And here I'm sharing some of our photos from over the years. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that today. And if you enjoyed this video today, and you enjoyed all the content, or some of the content, please do subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what the favorite part of this video was today. And yeah, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with peace, harmony, and oneness. Love and light. Special thanks to our members.
Calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.